She probably thought I was already done with it.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, how that happened? No, it's Clayton.
Yeah.
But it left the launch pad, so good job.
Good job.
It's gonna go like this. Look, it's gonna go.
It was hecka awkward. I asked her boyfriend for a ride somewhere, and then
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Well,
Why
Too
did I let
early.
that
dummy. Hey, we didn't get to 1 yet.
I know, but his was leaking water.
But my mom already spent $500 on that ride. Yeah, that's awesome.
How is that awesome?
Yeah, that's fun.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0.
Holy dinger.
Why don't even say that on the camera?
Well, Lisa.
okay, 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. 0.
Holy foul ball.
Meh.
Too far to the right. Didn't you like leave it
Ow!
What did you do to it yesterday? What? I wanted it. And then today,
Oh no! George doesn't fit on the launch pad.
Oh.
What do you look like without the size? Is it like bad or something?
No, it's not bad. It's his hair goes down to here.
I always take off my helmet in baseball.
Pick it up. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Too early.
Oh my god, go Jarvis!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
It's someone.
It's
Get him, get him, get him, get him.
That's
five,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Dylan! Oh, shoot! Warning, truck power.
I went to one about Daniel Gonzalez probably went on the computer and did like alterations and like printed out blueprints.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Damn.
His left belongs.
I like sitting over there.
Hey, whoa! What do you think you're doing?
Alex got up like 2 seconds.
I just don't want to
and
sit.
3, 2, 1, go.
Dinger!
Oh.
I know. Warning, truck power.
It's in my pocket, don't hurt it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! Good job, Andy.
Warning, truck power.
Oh, wow.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Look.
Hey, mine still went farther.
Come on, you say warning.
Where'd yours go?
Did you let Brody touch your rocket, Debbie? Never mind, that went.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
I want someone different. I don't want Amy to do it.
Warning, truck power.
don't touch. Go, boys. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Okay, I need everybody sitting on the
What you saying about Wolf?
If you want to see.
How do you feel about your rocket right now? Pretty confident?
What is it called? I like a cupcake cannon.
Cupcake cannon.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know what
Air.
to call it.
Oh, it just like inflated right there. Okay, 5.
4, 3, 2.
Sit down. Sit. Oh, that hit me.
Bruh.
Damn.
I don't want to keep asking.
That hit me in the
5.
4, 3, 2. Whoa.
Pick it up now. Okay, 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that thing is spinning.
Okay, 5.
3, 2, 1. 5,
5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Holy dingers!
Nice one. Okay, 5.
4,
3, 2, 1.
yeah, Gabby!
Oh.
Oh! I got it in slow-mo.
5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Hers is on steroids.
Okay, you got minus on?
You owe me $15 if that rocket doesn't go.
5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, whoa.
Wow, that was cool.
Yeah, great. Well, that was an explosion. We got it on video.
3, 2, 1.
Oh. Into the trees. Yeah.
Whoa.
4,
3, 2, 1. This ain't no far, but I'm really high.
5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, my head's up. Oh.
Okay.
2, 1.
That's why you don't stand behind that.
Oh gosh. Heads.
Someone catch it.
Well, that ran it.